Guys, so you must be thinking that I haven't uploaded any video and maybe I stopped doing all the unboxing and stuff, but no, that's not true. I was waiting for something very special, and I know you must be finding my voice a bit different. It's not because I've cried a lot, it's because I've got little cold, and here it is. No points for guessing, guys. That's PS5. So we have PS5 here. I got this from Reliance Digital and I got it for 49,990. That makes it 50,000. And they have packed it. Reliance people have packed it very nicely. Till you can see I am busy unwrapping it. Here it is. PS5, PlayStation 5. And how does it look? It's a huge box. It says it has a year warranty, 8K, 4K, 120 HDR, something written in Chinese, I guess. And 2/2/2021, it is the delivery date. Play like never before. Some other language, lightning speed, breathtaking immersions, stunning games, some other language. Okay, let's just break the seal. They have done the packing very nicely, I must say. So here, as you can see, it has a booklet which says PS5, how to use it. It has a cable in it. Again, a booklet, some other language, I guess. Or it's a twin booklet. There are two booklets. This is a beauty. You have to look at it. It has weight. Yeah, I can't say it's very light, but yes, they look very sturdy. They look very sturdy. They look very sturdy, and they're like good. So here there is one more cable. You can see. I'll just open it once, and then whenever I'll fix it in my TV, I'll definitely give the review and everything. I guess this is a stand or something. Another cable. I'll just fix it and I'll tell you where all the cables are used and how. And here it is, the most important one. I request if you can just hold the box. Remove the box, please. Here you go. PS5. Enjoy, guys. I'll just fix it with my TV and definitely will show you how it works, and will definitely tell you how it is. Enjoy.